Yes.
Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants and Friday Night Cocktails.
Yes, it is. Hope you've had a great week. Tonight we are making a modern classic. It's called a paper plane, and it's kind of unique. Not a lot of cocktails have that modern classic moniker to it, but this one definitely does. It was created, I should say. It's not like a light bulb or a semiconductor. So
but it's equally important.
Totally. This is probably more important than semiconductors, actually. So
Yep.
Sam Ross in New York City created this cocktail, and it's very unique because it's an equal parts cocktail. Most cocktails do not have equal parts of their ingredients because it's really difficult to get them to balance and not taste like absolute booty. So I just said booty. So it is so it's equal parts bourbon. Tonight we're using an Eagle Rare, which is a really nice bourbon to use in a cocktail, but you deserve it.
Of course you do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then 3/4 ounce of Amaro Nonino. Really important that you use this Amaro. There's a bunch of Amaros, but this Amaro Nonino has a really unique flavor profile that goes really well with this cocktail. Then we're gonna use 3/4 ounce of Aperol, which is also under the Amaro umbrella, but a very different flavor profile. And then 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Finish it off with a cherry. We're obviously doubling the recipe because we don't share very well with cocktails.
Unless I don't like them.
Right.
I don't know if I've had a paper plane, but I know friends of ours really enjoy them, so this is for you.
Yeah, so
it might be my first time having one, so you'll get an honest review of
what it's like.
Is it good or is it not my favorite? Oh, something's flying around here, fruit fly.
So, and I actually think that if you have somebody that tells you they are not a fan of bourbon, and first you probably you'd want to recommend that they seek professional help. That's what you'd want to do first.
I like bourbon.
So but then for this cocktail, I think is a great gateway bourbon drink because it has bourbon in it.
That's a negative
No, I know it
connotation.
kind of sounds like, let me swirl this because it's fresh squeezed. It's not like a gateway drug, but it's got bourbon in it, and it's a great cocktail.
Did you actually double it, or did you?
Yeah, no, I did.
Okay.
An ounce and a half for everything.
Just checking.
So we're gonna put our ice in there while I am shaking this. You are gonna put our cherries.
Oh, I don't have
wait a second.
Did we finish with the cherries?
Nope, actually.
Do we have the wrong glasses?
We're doing 2 cocktails tonight because we batch record. This is for the next one. My mistake.
Oh.
So
we're not gonna finish the paper plane with a cherry?
No, because that's not what you do. So it's for the other one. But I'm still gonna shake, and I'm gonna have you set those glasses in the middle. Thank you.
Gotta earn my keep.
Yes, you do. Get that open.
This isn't a double strain one?
No, we're not gonna double strain it. So we should be fine. And that lemon juice,
I love the color.
should give it kind of a foamy. You should get a nice foam on it. But yes, it's an absolutely beautiful cocktail.
In a little tiny glass.
And we've got our nice little coupes.
Yeah, all right.
A Nick and Nora, actually.
Okay, that's good. You're gonna splash and get something sticky.
Okay.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get after it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To a good week.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes.
That's good.
That is so good.
I like it. I'm not an Aperol fan, and
there was
A fruit fly that enjoyed
something
it too.
something that decided to fly into Katie's drink and end its life.
All right, well,
It'd be a great way to end your life, actually, is in the middle of a cocktail.
yeah.
So
Go big or go home.
this is, so again, great, I think
It's
great.
very light. It doesn't taste like a bourbon drink.
No.
Like the Sazerac is a solid,
Not at all.
meaty, for lack of a better term, drink. This is very light and refreshing.
Yeah, you
So
could have this
you could-
all year round, I think, but
Yeah.
great spring drink. The lemon really comes through, and a lot of that is because Aperol has a lot of citrus overtones to it. But this is
It's good.
yeah.
Well done. Now I'm ready for the weekend.
Right. So hope you've enjoyed watching these as this is kind of new for us doing the cocktails on Friday. We enjoy it because we love being in the kitchen, love sharing what we do in the kitchen with you. If you want us to make a particular cocktail, comment below, reach out to us and we will absolutely do that. So
Be kind.
eat pizza
With plants.
and
cocktails. A cocktail on
Fridays. See ya.